Hello my friends, I'm Majid Sai and I'm teaching jewelry design or gold design and for you. And in this lesson we are teaching a gold ring, with the flower, with the gold flower on the top of that. Okay, I trying to teaching fast and very clearly for you to your very easy understand. Okay, we are starting. In here we have a base. Okay, I designed these ring add-ons. Okay, and okay, we have this picture and we are designing this gold ring in the picture. We importing this picture, inserting this picture. Okay, we are changing this ring. Okay, this yes, this solid is deleted. It's not for this ring, and we are deleting some curves. Okay, we are determine the ring size and then draw the surface and then smash the ring surface, and when smash it, the surface is green. Yes, we are drawing and changing this curve to draw the ring rail of this gold ring. Yes, we are extending this curve. Go to the curves and go to the extend curve and click on a curve. Okay, yes, we are copying that curve. Yeah, clicking on the curve and then click on the extend curve and extend to the point, to the that point that curves. Okay, then rotate, copy, yes. Select our center of rotated. The left curve and right curve should be look like each other and have the same distance to the center. Okay, we are looking exactly on a picture to draw curves. Okay, we are following surface the curves, and we deleted the unnecessary curves. Yeah, this is our golden curves. We draw a curve to determine the center of that golden, and the flow line surface these curves. We should rotating these curves from the center of the golden. Yeah, look like this gold ring and picture. We are drawing a flower and the center here. The flower is installing, and we are extracting the isocurve of surface here and here. We are moving these curves to cutting what we need. This curve is very long. We are cutting that to this design. Our design is same like look like same the pictures. Okay, and go and the flow along the surface to the base surface to the smashed base surface. Okay, yeah, we are closing these curves to make a surface and a base. It's better and easy to make a solid and shelling. Okay, we create a surface with this curve, with these closed curves. And we are moving the surface to what distance we need. Okay, we turn on the control point of the surface. We should regulating the surface to our idea. Okay, we are extruding, go to the solid part and extrude the surface. Okay, and we are should offsetting the base surface to cutting this solid. Okay, and before you cutting solid and extruded the base, the light green base surface, you should to copying this base surface. Okay, and then we go to the solid and click on a shell and write the distance, for example 0.4, and then shell the surface and then flow line the surface is solid. Okay, I look into my half ring, half gold ring. Okay, it looks like my picture. Okay, copy yes, it's the center of the gold ring. Okay, copy yeah, copying this. Okay, we have this. We now looking exactly to what we do, and we're looking to this ring I designed is look like the picture or no. Okay, we are filleting. It's not enough. I want to change the distance to 1 millimeter. Okay, it's very not yeah, reduce that 0.8. Okay, clicking yeah, it's better. Okay, we are going to solid and click on a fillet, and then distance is 0.8, and then fillet our solids. We are now to drawing the flower. Yeah, rotating this picture to the plan. Yeah, go to the top of the top view and curves, and click on a curve. Okay, drawing this flower. This picture not in a good degrees. Okay, we are extracting the curve of the flower and then go to the cutter and excuse me, go to the transform, and we are clicking on array polar, okay, and right to the center, and we make this flower, okay, change the distance of the flowers, yeah, and the number of array polar to the center, right, the number of the leaf of the flower, 1 2 3 4 5, okay, and we draw the curves, uh, the look of the flower, okay, is better, is near to the real, okay, and then click on the planar surface, click on the curve join, and then click on a planar, and then piping these curves, go to the solid and pipe, it's flat, is round, okay, the cap is round, changing the command, okay, very small in a head and the bigger that one in a end, the end is bigger of the head, and the center of curves is bigger than both the head and the end, okay, and go to the offset, and we are offsetting the flower, and before offsetting we are moving this to our ring, okay, this is very small, we are should to bigger this flower, and it seems good, okay, okay, we are selecting the flower and offsetting, yes, surface offset distance is 0.5 is enough, yeah, offsetting, okay, we are selecting these pipes, the pipes of the flower to boolean difference from the flower, we need to crack on a flower to look to near look to the real, okay, group that, and then boolean difference this green pipe from the blue flower, okay, we are hiding the pipes, and now we have this flower, okay, now we are should to deforming this flower to look like our picture, okay, we are going to transfer, and then yeah, okay, we are going to transfer and click on a cage edit, select all of leaf of flower, and then click on a cage edit, okay, you're selected the point of the center of a flower, not good, we are selecting again and cage edit again, bundle box, okay, and then xy1, the 1 point count we are typing is 7, the other is 4, degree 3, y degree 3, x degree 3, z degree 3, and the x count is 7 is better, okay, we are selecting the center 3 3 3 and the 4 to route to count in the top, we are selecting, okay, and we are yes, yeah, we moving to the down, and a little bit we are smalling, okay, and then we are drawing the center point. Okay, moving to the ring. We're rotating to look like the picture, our 3D modeling. Okay, resizing in a, for example, in a X, and rotating again to get the best view like our picture. This depends our experience to make a best look. Thank you, my friends, to watching this. If you have any problem, contact us in YouTube, Telegram, or WhatsApp, or in Instagram. Thank you very much. And